Me busy. Hey, no, me busy. You busy. I've said you busy. I've repeated it, you busy. You busy.
Bajjo naye aganya ozikiza oluvannyuma lwa Abba Marcus okubeera nga yabayodde kakota yeefu figa akasuku bonna n'asooka n'abaddiza omulidde wabula naye amugambye yes yumbizi gwembizzi wabula nga ate agenze maaso n'agamba kibi nnyo okubeera nga abaana mubatwala mu international schools ezewala lwa nsonga bagenda ku losing cultural values ne religious values kati laba oyo ate era agenze n'abigattamu ne maama we Daniella Atim nti maama oyo yandibanga yaleetedde omwana ono okubanga kati alina confidence eno okubeera nga ayogera ku bintu bino senga siye ate senga tavaayo kwogera bintu bino ate ng'era maama ono yandibanga ali lubuto sagala kubeera nga ate mwongera njagala mbeere nga nkuleka owulirize Bajjo kyagamba Abba Marcus wabula nga ate mukwano welcome to my channel gwena ompya yakajoininga make sure that you subscribe or liking or sharing ate la tapping notification bell ensonga ojja kuba notified whenever I upload new videos on my channel.
I regret why I put those kids in international school. I would have put in the schools like GMS, Green Hill. At least for them the syllabus is Western, but respecting our culture. Never make a mistake, a plan to put your children in a school which cannot respect your culture and religion. You will get a product like Mr. MBIZZI he is. Can you be proud of him? When you are not a single mother, when you are not an idiot, when you are not a noisemaker, can you be proud to someone who is humiliating his grandparents and parents? Who is killing his father's brand? So me as an intellectual, me as a future leader of this country, because believe it, like it or believe it, I have to be someone important in this country. And I rule you.
Over 10,000.
Can't call anyone requesting of $1 million whether how many can I give you. That's why I changed my mind when I have Dr. Muganga, Vice Chancellor of Victoria University. That guy is a blessing to Uganda. Do you know that?
I do.
He's a good guy in the money, respects our culture. He has changed the education system of Uganda. He came out when he has skill. He can begin his own job. Don't eat in the camera, please.
No, I'm not eating.
Are you getting me?
Yes, I am.
So you must tell Mr. MBIZZI that views are useless without a strategy and a foundation for being successful in this world.
Era Bajjo agambye nti kati kanveeyo njogere mu luzungu kubanga kati kiringa kyekyokulwanyisa abantu kye bagamba nti tetwategedde mwana ono byayogera twabitegedde era ate njagala mbeere nga nkuba omusota gwennyini omusota oguzaala embizzi eno ng'agezaako okurefaringa ku maama wa Abba Marcus oba Daniella Atim nti alabika oyo ye yaleetedde omwana ono okwogerayo n'ebintu omwana tasobola kubanga yavuddeyo yekka alabika abeekobanye ne bbaawe omulala gwe yafuna ate babeere nga baagala okubeera nga bapotinga Chameleon wansi soka owulire ate Bajjo kyagamba.
So today let us address the nation to show people that we can reason in English. You know, it's the major weapon they are using.
Again,
trying to blast us that we can't speak English.
They don't say blast, trying to blackmail us.
Even the guy blasted us. He blasted your head and mine. He said, look at his head. Me busy. So today I'm going to reply Mr. MBIZZI. I'm not going to mention his name. And my main opponent today is the mother to Mr. MBIZZI. Because Mr. MBIZZI is just a kid. I don't have his time. The reason why I'm replying him, by the way, I'm beating the snake, the real snake. Because according to my observation and common sense, it shows that this guy there is someone behind that boy. First point, at social media, many single mothers, many they left them. They don't look after their children or kids. So they combine all that. Those single mothers, they are body they broke.
Okay. We said English like the BBC. Like the BBC.
But here we are like doing a rehearsal. The interviews we are going to record it. Let us see whether this will work. That's good also. But what you can't no say so. To get saga no.
Kati Bajjo kakosa. Kati
chokora bapi bulambo boda. Boya gabe mukwano.
Kati wadota.
Mbate manyi nkola muri haso.
Wagambe tutandi. Bajjo fe twatandise dda.
Musinike ebinyo.
Bajjo abitaddemu basingo mother nti abantu abo bebalekera abaana bagenda ate ne banyiiga. Era mmwe abakyasinze okusupportinga Abba Marcus. naye ng'ate agenze maaso n'agamba nti omukyalo ono alabika ali lubuto era she might be expecting era nga birimu n'omusajja.
And there are some allegations which is saying that the mother she's expecting someone might have been ballooned her. That woman, she might be expecting. There is a block between her and the husband. That man who is going out with her, who is expected to have been the owner of that balloon, he's creating a lot of chaos to make sure that the Chameleon cannot access his family. So the kid is fighting the war between her mother's whatever husband. How do you call? How the kid called? Erepomina away.
Anyonyedde n'agamba nti ono Abba yagenda n'afuna omukisa taata wa muyambye. Naye ono ate kyogamba okuguba mukisa n'agamba yes nze nkubuulira nina abaana besiwerera lwa nsonga maama bwe yagenda n'abajja ku ssomero nali mbagala kati si kyabaagala.
He got a chance being loved by the father and he misusing the chance.
Is that a chance?
Hey! Chameleon, let me say one thing.
So for you having your life,
yes, and may I have children. I don't have these because of the actions of their mother who stole them from school. The tune is I no longer have them and I don't pay for them school fees. So the woman when she went to school and picked them. Yeah. Today you have rescued me from prison. So how do you want me to force myself on them? Now I'm enjoying my life, they're enjoying their life. Now, will anybody blame me for that? Not looking after them when it's their mother's fault? So, do you know why I'm saying that it is the mother who's sending that kid? Because this situation has ever happened to me.
Oh.
I'm a victim of this situation.
Oh.
So I speak here authoritatively.
You have been in this situation.
In this situation, I know the logic behind this younger man. I called you laughing because I saw and he pretending that he cannot understand Luganda. Yet he's fluent in Luganda. So the mother coached him to come and show the word that is logical. And since the social media is full of, they saw his situation and action is as he knew in the world trend. Which knowing that the producer of that movie, she's the one applying that logic to the younger Mr. MBIZZI.
Abagambye nti mwagenza okulaba nga kino kye kitambula olw'okuba omwana yavuddeyo n'ayogera kati mulaba nga kye kigendo kyusa ennyo eggwanga oba perspective y'eggwanga engeri gye balamu ebintu wabula era n'agamba yes you are the MBIZZI ate nze ky'olina omumanya fe abamu tulina ne citizenship mu nsi endala naye gwe ogenda wano n'ovaayo mbu olw'okuba omanyi okutwistinga olulimi mbu anyoola olulimi ebadde agezaako tegeeza accent gy'akozesa eyo ey'oluzungu naye nga ky'obamanya nti naffe tuli ate batuze mu nsi ezimu naye tetwogera.
Citizens of different countries, but we cannot come and show and we twist the tongue. He comes to the life and he do what we call tongue twisting. Can you go to Rach? What?
I'm listening to you. What do
because
you mean, tongue twisting?
Look at his head. Me busy. Hey, no, me busy. You busy. I've said you busy. I've repeated it. You busy. You busy. Because we are here, we have different. This Ugandan is most especially.
Ati wamugambye yadde tuli mwana wa jjajjawo naye ate era sigala ngo respecting aba elders bo era namugirayo ne ka Bible verse awe kyawandiikibwa mu Bible ate namugamba nti Katonda agamba bw'ati.
Even if you are not Chameleonism, Mama Mayanja's son, at that age of that Mr. MBIZZI is not responsible to call them evil. Biblically, culturally, and morally. Bible says, respect your mother and father so that your days are not numbered on the earth.
Ndowooza ate omusajja mumulabye oluzungu lwonna alugjeeyo era akakasiza Abba Marcus naye ng'ate nkujjukiza nti teweerabira kubanga osubscribinga you subscribe, like and share, tap the notification bell obeere ng'ate ogetinga notified buli wenteekayo amawulire amapya ku channel eno. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.